Silver prices forecast. Will CPI data spark further gains in silver or a price drop? Today we will review the possible outcomes of this week's Consumer Price Index data that will be released on Wednesday, May 15th, 2024. Hi, and welcome to Minuteman Precious Metals, where it's my goal to enhance your financial preparation and prosperity and motivate you by tracking my personal stacking adventure. Thanks to all my new and returning viewers. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy today's content, and ring that bell if you'd like to be alerted when new videos are available. I appreciate your views, but I really need your likes and subscriptions to grow this channel. Thank you for your support. Last week, the silver market experienced its strongest performance since early April, driven by significant U.S. economic indicators and shifting expectations regarding Federal Reserve monetary policies. The rise in U.S. unemployment claims, coupled with disappointing non-farm payroll data, has fueled speculations that the Federal Reserve might lower interest rates sooner than expected, potentially as early as September. That speculation, coupled with geopolitical concerns over the Middle East and Ukraine, drove silver up. Silver finished last week at $28.18, up $1.62, or 6.09%. Despite a rise in U.S. Treasury yields, with the 10-year note increasing over 5 basis points to 4.5%, silver prices have continued to climb. This indicates that the market anticipates a more accommodative monetary policy, which lowers the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets like silver. The U.S. dollar has showed modest gains following these mixed economic signals, but failed to dampen the bullish momentum in silver prices. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics is set to release the Consumer Price Index data for April 2024 on May 15th. This report is crucial as it precedes the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on June 12th. Inflation remains a primary concern, with forecasts for April showing a 0.4 increase in headline inflation and a 0.3% rise in core inflation. These figures will play a key role in guiding the Fed's response to inflationary pressures. Shelter costs, which hold a significant weight in the CPI, continue to rise faster than other categories. We all know that is contributing to ongoing high inflation. The CPI shelter cost section includes traditional rents and what it would cost a homeowner to rent an equivalent residence, known as OER. The persistent rise in shelter cost indicates that overall inflation may not decrease significantly in the near future. The Fed will continue to weigh unemployment data and inflation data to determine any interest rate moves. In our short-term market forecast, volatility is certain. The silver market is set for further volatility as traders and investors anticipate the April CPI data release. If the CPI shows that inflation is cooling more than expected, or if unemployment figures show further weakening in the job market, silver could see an increase in value as the likelihood of an earlier interest rate cut becomes more feasible. But if inflation data remains high or exceeds expectations, the Federal Reserve may delay any rate cuts, which could limit the upward movement in silver prices and likely signal consolidation. Stackers should keep a close watch on these economic indicators, as they will significantly impact silver's price movements in the short term. And don't forget that we will hear from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell on Tuesday when he speaks in Amsterdam. Let's call it there. Thank you for watching, and remember, time is your most valuable asset, and I appreciate you sharing yours with me. Minuteman 6, signing off.